Hello everyone, welcome to our video today. I'm going to introduce some of the new products on my right hand. This office lockers, and you also can put in the employee rooms or any office. And let me give the overall dimensions first. Entire length of the unit is about 35.5 inches wide, and the depth of the unit is about 15 and 3/4 inches deep. And the overall height of the unit is about 76 and 1/4 inches tall. As we can see, the unit is coming with about 9 lockers inside, and for each of the lockers, they have an individual holes. You can just put them inside and secure it. And for the inner side dimensions, it is about 14.5 inches deep, 11.5 inches wide, and the overall height is about 22 and 1/4 inches tall. So this will be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us.